Organizing your clothes by folding them can significantly reduce clutter. For t-shirts, fold them into a compact triangle by placing them face down, bringing the sides to the center, and tucking in the neckline. Keep folds simple for easy identification, and consider using this method when packing for travel. For polo shirts and dress shirts, fold them lengthwise, tucking in the sleeves before bringing the hem to the collar. Tank tops can be folded into a small square, while dresses should be carefully folded to maintain their shape, with larger ones folded in thirds to prevent wrinkles. Long-sleeved shirts and sweaters can be stored upright by tucking in sleeves and folding them in half. For shorts and skirts, fold symmetrically and into thirds, respectively smoothing the material as you go. Leggings should be folded into a small square, while dress pants are best folded along their crease, and jeans can be folded into thirds for storage efficiency.